Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anita-EduEat. In today's class, we are going to learn how to find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, a very important concept from class 10 polynomial chapter. Now let's take an example to understand this. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. To find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, we will follow a few simple steps. Step 1. Set the polynomial equal to 0. Step 2. Factor the polynomials. To factorize this quadratic polynomial, we are going to be use splitting by middle term method. Here the middle term is minus 5x. We have to be split minus 5x into two parts such that their product is equal to 6. So the numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. Now we can write this quadratic polynomial expressions like this. Now make a two groups. In first group we have a two terms. In first group take a highest common factor as a x. In second group the highest common factor is 2. Take x minus 3 as a common. Step 3. Apply the zero product property so that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 are 2 and 3. So we have successfully found the zeros of the quadratic polynomial by using splitting by middle term method.